Good morning, good people. Have your cup of coffee today? I got this Starbucks caramel macchiato, I think it is. It's so good. I did the same thing. I put it in the frother and let it warm up, so it's not too hot, but it's okay. We are on our way to go get our oil change. I'm like 2 minutes behind, but I don't even think the guy even remembers the time that he gave me, y'all. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna worry too much about it. But we'll be there. So hold on, y'all. I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. Y'all, it is snowing outside and it is currently 32 degrees. And we are here. I gotta park back here. And then they'll pull my car in. It would be nice though if they would give me a car wash today. Usually when you get your car repaired, they wash your car for you, which is always good. Because ain't nobody got time to be spending like no extra money. Okay, so let's get on in here. Get this over with. Turn off everything. Do y'all do that when y'all in your car? Like, you gotta remember. See, with Lady Blue, I didn't have all that stuff. I had to remember to turn off everything. Push buttons and all the craziness. It's crazy. It's crazy. But we're doing it. We ain't got no choice, all right? Let's go. Y'all see the snow? Y'all see it? Ooh, it looks good on me. It looks good on me, doesn't it? Good morning. How are you?
Glad to see a friendly face.
Oh, am I the only one here?
No, no.
Oh.
Heck no.
Okay.
Employee-wise, everybody's here, but it's just really busy. People just been trying to come and come. We've been trying to schedule a couple of people a day.
Okay.
Because we're only going to be here part of the day Monday and we close the rest of the week.
Oh, I'm glad I got here then. Yeah. Right. Okay. Well, you got me in though, right? Oh, okay. Because I know when we got off the phone, I didn't remember for sure.
Yeah,
I know you said.
Oil change. You're not using synthetics, just regular oil.
Just the regular, and I want to do the. I was telling you about the rotation of the tires. So the driver one, put the driver one in the back on the passenger side, and do that same with the other one.
It's $20 for rotation.
Right.
Okie doke.
Okay, so you know what I'm saying? Like.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, just like that. And then also too, is it a way they say that my truck can be lifted, but somebody, if they're under it, they can do it easily. Can you have him check it?
Lift it?
Yeah.
In order to lift, you would have to get a lift kit.
No, it's automatically on the Jeep Cherokee. On the Jeep. He probably know what I'm talking about. Just ask him to look at it and let me know, okay? But here's the keys. I'm gonna go have a seat. Yeah, I think he may know about that. Most Jeep Grand Cherokees have that. So I'm watching the news, which I never watch. So coming here, you get treated like a queen. Well, I do. Here's the I wish I knew how to work that fireplace. There's probably a button you can just turn it on, but I don't feel like fooling with it. But y'all, yeah, it's snowing outside. It's like a little fine mist, but it is like accumulating on windshields and stuff like that, and on the ground a little bit. Oh, so y'all, look, I did get a chance to fix my shoes. Let me show y'all. See them? Y'all see them? Hold on. See? So last night I just took I took one of my rags and I put a little bleach on it and a little bit of like natural soap, and I just washed them real good, like a little bit. I just like braced it, and then I rinsed that off, and then I went with some clean water and did that, and then I just let them air dry. I didn't put them in front of the vent because put them up top, because my heat vents are at the top, because I don't know if I explained that correctly, but my heat vents are at the top. So I assumed if I put the shoes on top of the shower, no. At first I had them in the bathroom, then I ended up putting them in the in my office on top of the curtain rod. underneath the vent, and that's how come I got the stains. But yeah, guys, I'll come back in a little while. I think we're gonna head to the bins today because where I'm at is not too far. So I'll probably bring you guys along. So let's continue to enjoy the journey. It's Friday too. Woohoo!
She's not trying to feed me. I can call 696 kids on her.
Call them.
Okay.
Call 'em.
I ain't even gonna
Call
call
'em.
because you ain't trying to feed me.
Call
like,
'em.
what you mean?
Call 696 kids.
I'm gonna call on you
before they even get here.
I'm in this stuff. Why not? So let me tell y'all, she slapped me in my face and she pushed me out the car and everything. So can't I call 696 kids on her? I don't care how old I am. I still live in your house, under your roof, and you can't. Who? The police came. How you feel? Got me eating samples. How you feel? You got me eating samples.
Better for you, better choices.
But I'm hungry. I need some food.
Y'all, this is what you get when you. This is what you get.
They're asking for a signature on there.
Okay. Okay. There you go.
They can hit the green. And that's the thing. You just got it.
Okay, where am I signing at, sir? Again?
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Anywhere.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, that's done. Put my card back up. Whew.
Together, get you out of here. Try to catch it.
Okay. I gotta turn off the TV. Hold on.
No, leave it on. It's okay. It's okay.
Leave it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was supposed to turn it on this morning, but I got sidetracked.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, Texas is a good one.
Yeah,
I'm thinking
I always
North
wanted to
Carolina.
move to Austin. My kid travels there a lot. He's a lawyer.
Okay.
And,
Now, how many hours is that if you drive?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I mean, it would just be like one-time shot, moving truck, done deal.
Okay. All
Oh,
right.
here you go.
Okay.
You're all set, man.
Can't go nowhere without that.
Oh, man.
Let's see, replace, request, approval. Replace and perform the following: oil change, lube, top off fluids, tire rotation. Okay, honey, you gotta check and make sure they doing things right. Ain't got time for that. Not with my money. I work hard for my coins. So I'm looking at my time, and I have enough time to get to the bins, and still I should be able to get to work on time too. So we're gonna go do that, and yeah, guys, I'll see y'all. Oh, wait a minute. I'll see y'all in a few. Trying to get things situated. I'm gonna go back to my black my black bag, my black side bag pretty soon. I just have to adjust some things. Okay. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself. It's okay. She ain't going crazy. We all do it, and y'all know it. Y'all know y'all be talking to yourself. Y'all know y'all be talking to yourself. All right, let's get on. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all. I'll catch y'all in a few. All right. Call you right back. I did not know Dollar General be open at 8 o'clock in the morning. We is making good time, y'all. I had to get me some fabric boost so I can fill up my container. Out of here. Done it. Y'all, they standing outside. Look at that. Can y'all see them? That's how far I can go, but they're standing outside. And I think once that lady get in there, I'll be able to go in there. But we gonna sit right here in the car while it's warm, because I ain't trying to get sick. I think we got 3 more minutes before she open that door. Or it's 2 more minutes. I'm not trying to sit out in no cold. That's why I can't never get well, because of Keep being outside in the cold. Keep walking in the cold. Keep doing stuff in the cold. But yeah, they're opening the door. Here we go. Let the show begin. Let the show begin. Y'all know I ain't getting a whole lot of stuff. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. I'm looking for a pillow to go inside my pillowcase. And what else do I want? Pillowcase to go inside my pillow. That one that I found, I think I told y'all some weeks ago. And then I'm looking for, if I can find that block pen. If not, I only got a few dollars in my pocket. Okay? So I'm gonna turn y'all around, let y'all see what's going on. Oh, and some of that contact paper as well. It's not a lot of people in here. I'm gonna show y'all. See, it pays to be early. I'm so glad, and I can still get to work on time. But let me show y'all. Look at this. If somebody needed a light fixture, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, girl! Y'all already know this is my jam right here. But I don't need it. I don't have nowhere to put this. Oh, it's like more than, it's a couple of them. They're in the bag too. We're gonna keep shopping. All right, y'all? I'll be back. Look at this wallpaper, y'all. Look at this. You get 10 of these. Beautiful marble looking contact paper. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? I don't need it. I just wanted to show y'all, but I'm just gonna put it back over here. Put it back in the box. But this is so good. If y'all only knew, I've been off work. I'm up here waiting to pick somebody up from one of these like lumber stores to give them a ride. People is creepy. Don't look over here. My iced coffee ain't gonna be too hot. Too iced if he don't come on. Do I look mean, y'all? Try me if you want to. I'm gonna bust you in your face. I'll bust you in your chops. I'm being courteous because he said something about he can't punch out till a certain time. So I don't know, y'all. We gonna wait and we gonna be patient because I'm gonna do one and I'm done. Okay? You're welcome. I was just about to say, like, he better come on.
Okay.
Close that, please. And can you put on your seatbelt for me? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they be tripping.
Huh?
They be tripping if you leave before the time you gotta put down.
Okay. I don't know if this thing is going. Y'all, two rides down. I am finally at home. It feels kind of good to get home before the sun go like all the way down. But yeah, I did 2 rides, which I'm happy about. I was trying to get to a certain, I was trying to get to a certain amount of money, or what should I say, cash. I wonder if I turn this off, would it, y'all good? Y'all cool? Y'all cool? Y'all cool? Okay. I ain't had to bust nobody in their chops either. But yeah, I have never had a problem. I think I told y'all that in a previous video. Never had a problem with nobody trying to try me. I think I just come off as you probably don't know what to expect. Yeah, but I will see you guys once I get in the house because I have to unlock the garage and all that stuff and bag in. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. What is this? These people are always trying to offer somebody some credit cards. I got 1 credit card. I'm not getting no more. Well, no, that's a lie. I'm gonna get 1 more. Just 1 more credit card. Okay, hurry up, y'all. Because I did not lock the garage yet because I need to do some things. My hands are clean. I'm just gonna, so I'll take that bag of mail out and put it in the recycle bin. And while I'm doing that, I thought about it. I can cut these back. This spinach has to be used. I'll probably use it tomorrow for a dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and put both things in here. So whatever I don't use, you know what I mean? We ain't wasting nothing. She don't waste nothing. Y'all, I love the fact I got my shears. Remember, I just be like taking it and tearing a tear and go get the knife and go get the other scissors out the office. I ain't gotta do that no more. And it feels good. Yo, this will save you a ton of space and stuff you don't have to have laying around. Uh-oh, I think I left a piece. I sure did. Okay. All right. Put this up. I don't know why this thing won't stay set like it should. There it go. Saving so much space. All right, I'll call y'all back.